Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into the amazing promo code opportunities on MEXC. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you maximize your benefits on MEXC. And don't forget, you can use the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 to get some fantastic bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the benefits of using a MEXC promo code. By using a referral code, you can get up to a $1,000 sign-up bonus and significant trading fee discounts. This is a great way to start your trading journey on MEXC with some extra perks. Sign up on MEXC, visit the MEXC website, or open the MEXC app and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and agree to the terms of use. In the referral ID box, type 12K4M5 to ensure you receive the bonuses. Click on Create Account and verify your email. Log in to your new MEXC account. Confirm your country of residence and fill in your personal details. Upload the required identification documents and a selfie for identity verification. MEXC will review your documents and notify you once the verification is complete. Once your account is verified, log in and go to the Rewards Hub in your profile. Under the Ongoing tab, find the Welcome Bonus Rewards and click Claim Now. Complete the tasks to receive your rewards. Verify your identity, 10 USDT rebate. Make your first deposit, a 30 USDT rebate. Make your first trade, 50 USDT rebate. Additional bonuses for higher trading volumes. To further reduce your trading fees, consider holding MX tokens. You can get up to 100% off on spot trading fees and 50% off on futures trading fees by holding a sufficient amount of MX tokens. Compared to other major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, MEXC stands out for its generous bonuses and lower trading fees. The additional discounts available through promo codes and holding MX tokens make MEXC a cost-effective option for active traders. Users generally praise MEXC for its comprehensive bonus structure and user-friendly platform. Many appreciate the variety of bonuses and the ability to significantly reduce trading costs through these rewards. To wrap it up, MEXC offers a fantastic range of bonuses that can benefit all types of traders. From welcome bonuses to trading fee discounts, there are plenty of opportunities to enhance your trading experience on MEXC. Don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy trading.